Hi David, this is Fanny.
Hello, Fanny. How are you, dear friends?
I'm little in a hurry. I have a lot of homework lately. Was you have to hurry?
If you understand you, but I may only be this semester that is a bit of a border of the text.
I know, but guess what? In 2 weeks I will go on vacation to Acapulco for days. I want to know the beach.
I am glad for you. So take you the nose, the scent, and the beach is very beautiful. And tell to me with your family.
If I go on vacation with my family, to know the ravine, the climate, the beaches that are around it.
He would like to ask you out tomorrow before you leave. Do you think you go to the movies?
I would love it, but I have light from my work. But we agree for the weekend and go to the Railway Museum.
That's great. Would like to know more about this history of the city of Puebla.
We could go in the morning, like 9 in the morning, and I pass by you and your house.
I think the idea is excellent. Can you and see you on the weekend?
Perfect. Take great care of yourself, and we are seeing each other on the weekend. See you soon.